Hey guys, hope you're having a good new year so far. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a few things I've been doing over the past couple of weeks. As a New Year's resolution for myself, I decided that I was going to explore the city a lot more, and I just got caught up in like work, eating lots of food, and sleeping. So I made it a New Year's resolution that I'm going to do more fun activities in the city, and I did a lot of research and came up with some things that are kind of off the beaten path. If you guys have any other suggestions of things I can do that are not super touristy here in New York, please let me know, because I'm going to be trying to do a couple new things each month so that by the time I get to the end of the year, I would have had multiple experiences to look back on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it. If you do any of these activities that I've done, please tag me on Instagram or leave a comment below because I want to know. Okay, let's get to the video.
I can't reconcile. Are you a memory, lucid dream? Pinch me. Will you come back?
What's going on?
Can we get a glass? 5 per person? Only one. Okay.
Now the mention you want to move forward, so enjoy each room while you're there.
I was wondering what you were doing. I'm like, what am I doing here?
I think I remember your skin on mine. I think I remember your laugh with mine. I think I remember that you were mine. I'm not sure. We were short, it's been long.
You're right here.
Okay.
And then if you'd like, you can walk all the way around here, past these. This is the pond.
How long do you think it takes to complete?
Oh, the whole thing, an hour and a half or so.
And then when do the cherry blossoms
They
start to bloom?
they come out in April and May.
If you ever need time alone just to get out of the concrete jungle and relax, this is probably the perfect place to come because you can just walk around the gardens, and in the wintertime there's not that many people here. I think I'm gonna just relax for a couple of hours here. Hi guys, we are in Brooklyn and we are in the cooking, making portion of my video. This was one of the things on my bucket list, and I found Ruby on Airbnb Experiences. She is a master baker. She works at Facebook, so you know she's gotta be good. And she is going to teach me how to make, what are you gonna teach me how to make today?
We are going to make peppermint hot chocolate macarons.
I don't know if I'm gonna do great, but I appreciate the sentiment.
So for this macaron, it's going to be solely a white shell. There won't be any food coloring in it because I think it looks really elegant with a white shell and then a nice red sprinkle just in a line across the top. And in the center, there's going to be a ring of buttercream around the outside of the shell.
Yum.
And that's going to be flavored with our peppermint extract. And then in the very center of that is going to be a little dollop of chocolate ganache. Right, so you're gonna give it some good pulses. You're gonna turn your whisk up slowly to about a 6, and then slowly tap the sugar in the bowl.
Okay. Whole butter, whole stick.
Just the whole stick right in there.
First time baking, I'm doing well. We're about halfway through. Let's get to the rest.
Yes, let's do it. If you go right here, squeeze and then stop squeezing.
Oh, okay.
And remember to keep it vertical and just squeeze straight down onto the pan. Yeah, and then kind of come up a little and flip. Yep, there you go. You did it. It's cooked the right way. Hey, those look awesome. And they do have little feet. Oop, that's gonna be very hot.
You guys, if you want to learn how to bake anything, from the simplest things to the most extravagant, come to Ruby. I'll leave her information down below because I'm ready to get this party started. So unfortunately you can't have any, but I am having a great time. And if you want to learn how to make these or anything else, please come to Ruby. I'm up super early, well, at least early for me, and I'm super excited because today is my birthday. And I'm also excited because I have decided to make this the first day of volunteering. I'm going to be volunteering at the New York Cares pop-up shop for the coat drive. I'm sure in many other cities, your cities are giving coat drives. So if you have any extra winter coats, at least in New York, I will put in the description where you can donate them. And if you live other places, I'm sure there's other organizations where you can donate them as well. Growing up in New York, we see street artists and we see graffiti all the time, but you never know the real story. So I'm excited because I get to get a little history lesson, and I'm actually going to be trying my hand at some art.
Yes, there's graffiti writing and then there's street art, right? Now the difference between graffiti writing and street art is that the graffiti writer is focused on getting his tag around, and the frequency of his tag around the city makes him popular. The street artist is a mainstream artist, someone that went to art school usually, that is adopting the mode of operation for the graffiti tagger, and that happens to be spray paint. What I have on the can is a skinny cap. Now the skinny cap gives you just that, a thin line. But that in and of itself, the skinny cap is not going to give you the thin line. What gives you the thin line?
Getting closer.
Being closer to the surface. Continue spraying and moving at the same time. Just stay within the square.
Okay. All right, this is my finished product. I am so proud of this. I want to say I did this all by myself, but obviously I didn't. I got quite a bit of help. But what we did is, I love New York Asia, because that's my name, obviously. 12/12 for my birthday. A little spray can, a little spray coming out. We did half of the Statue of Liberty. We're in Brooklyn, so you had to do Brooklyn 2019. And just for good measure, when you're from the Bronx, you gotta love the Yankees, so you had to put that on there.